Hi guys, welcome to another quick form video. So today we're looking at the new promotion that's starting pretty soon, and we'll get to all the details in just a little bit, but let's go ahead and look at it. So it says free add a line plus get the LG Dynasty for only $5. So this first time that I've actually seen them doing something like this, like adding a line for like $5. Usually you need like a port in or something. This one says no port required if you look on the bottom in the middle. So only $5 for everyone. So it might sound really good, but because of this tactical pricing, there might be some requirements. So let's go into it. So this promotion starts today, guys. So effective May 17th up to June 4th. So let's go ahead and see what it says. So it says add a line and get an LG Tribute Dynasty for only $5 promotion starts May 17th. So any new non-port-in add-a-line customers can get the LG Tribute Dynasty for only $5 when a $50 unlimited gig plan is added to and activated on the add-a-line promotion. So due to aggressive pricing on this promotion, compensation will be adjusted based on details below. So only new LG Tribute Dynasty devices eligible for the promotion, so no pre-owned, of course. So it says only new non-port-in $50 monthly limited gig plan for Boost Mobile are eligible for the promotion. Must be combined with add-a-line. So there's two plans that this does not qualify for. So the 60 unlimited plus plan, 3 for $100, and the 35 3GB plan are not eligible for this promotion. So you have to be on the old 2 for $80 plan. So the 50 unlimited unhooked plan. So if you add a line to the 50, it's $50, but Boost Mobile will give you a discount of $20 and make it only $80. So that's pretty cool, guys. Let's see. Yeah, so unlimited gig plan. So you're not eligible for this if you have the 60 unlimited plus plan, or if you're doing the 3 for $100. Or the $35 plan. You have to do the regular $50 unlimited plan, and then to add another line would be $30. So it'd be 2 for $80. That's pretty cool, guys. Like I said, there's no port in required, so this is very good if you want to add family members. Now, of course, if you port in, it's free, but let's say you're gonna get a line for your son, and your son doesn't have anybody to port in. Most carriers like Cricket, Metro, and all that stuff, they require port in for you to even get something close to free, or something super discounted. So with Boost right now, this promotion, like I said, will start today, will end on June 4th. So like I said, if your son or daughter, whoever, loved ones, just wants to go ahead and get a phone, and you already have the 50 unlimited plan, you can go ahead and add them to the plan, get a phone for only $5. So that's pretty cool. So quick little news on that. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, I did do a review on this phone and an unboxing. I'll have all that in the description below, so check that out. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonicwarfare sign off. You can also donate to my Patreon to help me expand the channel and all that cool stuff. And yeah, check out the description. Follow me on social media.
In my pocket, probably touch a couple grand. Growing up, I was misunderstood. Now this watch around my wrist got